Abacus AI agents are like smart employees that never sleep. Here's how to make money with them in 2025. Step 1. Sign up on Abacus AI and access their agent builder. No coding needed. Step 2. Pick a task to automate: lead generation, customer support, data analysis, or content writing. Step 3. Train your agent with custom workflows, API access, or business data. It'll execute multi-step tasks on its own. Step 4. Monetize by selling custom agents to small businesses, offering automation as a service to solopreneurs, creating industry-specific agents for marketing, HR, or finance, using agents to scale your own freelancing or agency work. Step 5. Promote with demos that show how much time and money your agent saves. In 2025, smart agents mean smart income. Abacus AI makes it possible.